welcome to another video. So today we are going to make a optical instrument. I will say which instrument. So today the optical instrument which we are going to make is kaleidoscope, and I know you are familiar already with this word kaleidoscope. So today I am going to tell you that how the kaleidoscope works and how we can make it at our homes right now easily. So first of all, we'll understand what is kaleidoscope. So basically kaleidoscope is an optical instrument which uses two or more than reflecting surfaces. Mostly the reflecting surfaces are used mirrors, and the principle which is used in this kaleidoscope is reflections. And these mirrors, they are inclined at a certain angle to make a triangular box, and if we look from one end and block the another end, there are symmetrical patterns which are inside this box because of the continuous reflection which is happening inside this triangular box. So let's start making it. So the materials used to make this kaleidoscope are, I've used 3 mirrors from my old toys, and I have inclined them at a certain angle to make a triangle, and I have joined them with the sellotape, transparent sellotape, and you should do this under adult supervision because mirrors are slightly sharp from the corners which can harm you. Then I have used a medicine cap which is easily available. Then I have used a medicine box, you can use any box, and I have used some tape and some glitters and some beads. So basically I have made this like a triangle, and then I have made this box like this only so that this can fit inside this, and this at the back I have used the medicine box, and I have used some stars as you can see and some beads which were available at my home. And then I have pasted them with Fevikwik and sellotape so as to stick them permanently. Then I have used here some stapler pins and some paper tape to stick them and makes it more smooth and strong. So let's start making this. So we'll put this inside this, and now our kaleidoscope is ready. So if I'll see, because I'm seeing from this end and this end is blocked, but I can see symmetrical patterns, and now we need to beautify this. So for beautification I'll use this glitter tape. I've used magenta, you can use any other color, blue or your favorite color, and I'll wrap this around it so as to make it more beautiful. So friends, I am adding this beautification with this glitter tape. I have already added the lens and cut the tape. So now the first layer is complete for this, and now I'll take it downwards as slanting in position. So now I have completed this till the end, not till end but half of this end, and now I'll put this mirror inside this box, and then we'll start doing it again.
Check.
So I'm putting this mirror inside this, and now with the help of this tape I'll stick it as I can. Stick at the corners of this mirror so that it can be sticked and it doesn't come out. So our kaleidoscope is ready to be tested. Now I'll see inside this. Wow, so beautiful pattern it's forming inside this. Now let me show you also. So now I'll show you guys also how the beautiful patterns in this they are forming. It's very easy to make and very tricky also. You guys can also make and have fun with this, enjoying at home in this lockdown, in this boring lockdown period. So I hope you enjoyed this video. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, इस वीडियो को शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी, ताकि वो भी लॉकडाउन में ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग कलाइडोस्कोप बना सके और इसके साथ खेल सके. दे कैन हैव फन ऑल्सो. एंड डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल सो दैट आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग और ऐसे ही DIY प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको मिलते रहे. इट्स वेरी easy to make. So you guys can also make. Do try this at home. It's very easy. So that's all for today. Bye.